Bad decisions happen because the human brain prioritizes immediate protection over long-term improvement. In the heat of the moment, choosing the easy path feels like the only correct option. This is a biological survival mechanism. Your brain is wired to seek comfort and avoid pain, registering any form of effort or uncertainty as a threat to be neutralized. Every time you choose the path of least resistance, you reinforce a neurological pattern. Over years, these tiny, repeated avoidances accumulate, resulting in a life that feels stagnant and deeply frustrating. What feels like a conscious choice is often just an automatic emotional reaction. You are reacting to discomfort by seeking the quickest possible escape. To bypass this reflex, you need a specific 3-step framework that can be executed in under 60 seconds. How you handle this 1-minute window determines whether you remain subject to your impulses or take control of your future actions. The first 10 seconds of this reset are dedicated to the impulse pause. The moment you feel the urge to delay a difficult task or seek a comfort, freeze your physical movement. Do not act and do not move. The brain often frames the desire for immediate relief as a logical necessity. It will provide a list of reasons why waiting until tomorrow is the smarter move. During this pause, you will likely feel a spike in physical tension. This sensation indicates that you are successfully interrupting your brain's automatic comfort-seeking reflex. Endure that physical spike without breaking your stillness. Let the initial wave of emotion peak and then begin to recede. Creating this physical gap between a feeling and an action removes the power from your reflexes and returns it to your conscious mind. Once you have regained control, use the next 20 seconds to ask one diagnostic question. Look directly at the decision in front of you and ask, will this make my life better or just easier right now? Your brain will attempt to justify the easier path by using excuses like, I deserve a break, or it doesn't matter just for today. This is the brain's attempt to return to its comfort baseline. You must categorize the situation as a binary choice. You are choosing between immediate ease and long-term growth. This diagram shows the mathematical reality of these two paths. Life is a trajectory defined by the compounding effect of small actions. When you choose what is easier, you maintain a flat trajectory. This creates an immediate plateau in your progress. Every easy choice effectively removes a block from your potential future growth. Seeing this compounding effect clarifies that no delay is truly harmless. The final 30 seconds of the reset are for choosing your future self. Visualize a slightly more disciplined version of yourself. Identify exactly what that person would do in this moment and prepare to execute that specific action. Move into the harder task immediately. You must act without waiting for a feeling of motivation or a sense that you are ready to begin. If this phase takes longer than 30 seconds, the framework usually fails. Excessive time allows the brain to re-engage its avoidance mechanisms. In this 60-second window, overthinking functions as fear disguised as logic. Consider the morning alarm. You feel tired and want to hit snooze. You pause for 10 seconds, ask if staying in bed makes your life better or just easier, and then you immediately sit up. Discipline is the consistent application of this system during moments of high resistance. You now have the steps to override your biological urges. A common misconception is that successful people possess natural confidence or a lack of hesitation. High performers experience the same fear and resistance as everyone else. They have simply learned to trust their systems more than their momentary feelings. While a single 60-second reset appears small, applying this system over 90 days creates a significant gap in life outcomes compared to those who follow their impulses. The next time you feel the automatic biological pull toward comfort, initiate the 60-second clock immediately, without hesitation. Your trajectory is defined by what you decide in the quiet moments, when it would be easiest to quit.